Whenever you're doing a hair transplant, it is very important to understand who exactly is doing your procedure. Is it a doctor who is doing a procedure, or is it a technician who is doing a procedure? At DHI, each and every surgery, right from the beginning to the end, right from giving anesthesia to extraction of every graft to implantation of every follicle, is done by the surgeon himself or herself. Whereas if you go to any random FEV clinic, there will be different people who are doing your extraction. Maybe from your right half someone else is doing, maybe from the left half someone else is doing. 2-3 people at a time are doing it. And the most important step, which is implantation, again is done by 2 to 3 different individuals. Now imagine it is an aesthetic procedure and there are 2 to 3 different people doing that same procedure on your scalp. So every one of them will have their own different skill set, their own experience. So maybe the person who is doing it on the right side of your scalp is better compared to the person who is doing it on the left side of your scalp, right? So there is always a difference. But that is something that never happens in the DHI technique, because in DHI, every single graft is implanted only and only by the DHI certified surgeons. So there is absolute control over every single step of the procedure, right from extraction to implantation.